Hello lovies and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite facial scrub, and this has been the only facial scrub I use for years since I was college, and this cost $159 and this is already 100 ml. This usually lasts for 2 to 3 months if you only use it once a day. This is from Garnier and it fights 12 signs of acne and oil. This is really effective if you're complaining about pimples, oily skin, because it really worked for me. It has gentle microbeads and salicylic acid plus Herbaclear, and it's really good for the skin. So if you want to try this out, please do buy this. This is available in Watson's. I tried looking for this in Metro Gaisano, but they don't have this anymore in their display. They only have other brands. So if you want to buy the product that I'm using, please go to Watson's in the face area, right? So you just simply need to wet your face and put a very small amount, a pea-sized amount on your finger, and just lather it onto your face and wash it afterwards. I usually do this when I'm taking a bath. So I only wash my face with Garnier facial scrub only once a day every time I take a bath. So if you enjoyed watching my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and leave comments if you would like to suggest any other products for me. And also please do feel free to hit the subscribe button to watch more of my videos.